Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make APK file of your Expo React Native application. So it is very simple, you need to follow some steps. So first of all, let's move to app.json. So here we need to update this file. We need to add some lines here. So first of all, add platforms brackets iOS, Android and web. So now we need to add the SDK version of our Expo, the current SDK version. You can check it on your Expo application. So I am using SDK version 38.0. So now add this. Also, you can check this by running the following command: expo -min version. So or by Expo application as well. So now let's move to this part here, Android. Need to add some lines here as well. Add package com dot your company name here. For now I am writing xyz dot your application name. So for now my application name is APK, so I'm writing this. So now add permissions. So that's all. Now save this file. So in order to make the APK file, you need to run your Expo application firstly. So for that, move to terminal and run npm start. I am using npm, so that's why I am using npm start. If you are using yarn, then you can run this command as well. So now press enter. It will take some time. So as my application is running successfully, so now I can make the build APK file. So for that, open another terminal and run exp build Android. So press enter. It will take some time. So here it is asking some questions here. So press 1, let Expo handle the process, and I want to upload my own key store. So for now I am going with first option. Press enter. So now as the process is being started, so we can monitor this by going to the following link. For that you need an account. I already made my account, so I just visit. So here you can see our APK file is being queued. You can check the status by clicking on this and view build queue status. So here our APK file has been queued at the 18 number. So it will take some time. So as you can see, our app is being successfully built. So now you can download it and run it your application Android phone, or you can publish it on your Play Store as well. So that's all from this lecture. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, then keep share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Stay blessed.